What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you're watching this video, you are now on day 20 of our 5K, beginning 5K program. So congratulations everybody. It's unbelievable, unbelievable. You guys are doing fantastic. So without waiting, let's get to it. All right. This is fantastic. You got a workout today, and Coach Robin is going to take you on it, so here she is.
Okay, guys, it's Saturday. You know what that means. That is our bump up day. So we have our workout today is still our 2-minute walk and our 2-minute run, but today we're going to do it for 7 times. So that's our bump up, all right? No big deal. You got it. You've been doing all the work all week, and that's what we do. We prepare for our long workouts on Saturday. So you got the work done this week, which prepares you for today. So no worries there. I have confidence in you. I know you're going to do it. Just remember, keep your pace, conversational. You know, don't speed up. Just take it easy. Take your time. Keep your posture. Remember, you know, you want to stand up straight with the strength, you know, kind of pulling up your head, arms at 90 degrees, fingers, you know, not clenched because you don't want to waste that energy, and nice athletic knees and lean at your ankles. All right, guys? So I'm going to start doing my warm-ups, then my workout and my cool downs, and I'll be back. And today I just have a little bit different scenery. I came down to the harbor today to do my workout. I like to switch it up a little bit. So, you know, you might want to do that too. It just, you know, keeps it interesting. So whatever works for you, whatever you can do, you know, as long as you get the work done, that's what counts. So have a great one, guys. All right, guys, that was a great workout. I feel really good. I rested yesterday, so my legs were ready for today's workout, and that was really good. I did my warm-up, I did my workout, and I just cooled down, and I feel really good. And let's see, tomorrow is another rest day, so I am ready for that because I earned it today. So I will see you tomorrow. I'll just pop in and say hi, and, you know, see what you're doing on your rest day. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer you. We also have a little chat group going on, so if you've joined us and you haven't let me know, just tell me, and I'd love to add you to the chat group. We all support each other and encourage each other, and it's a lot of fun. So have a great rest of your day.
Well, once again, I want to say fantastic job. Day 20 is down. Day 21 will be tomorrow. If you are enjoying this program, you know, please make sure you hit the like button, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you get notified for all these. And also, you know, just share it with anybody you think that can, you know, can benefit from doing a beginning 5K program. You know, just share it with them and let them do it. You know that just about anyone can do this. You start off very gentle, as you saw. You start with just 3 minutes of walking, 1 minute of running, and you do that 4 times. And look where you are now. You're a lot farther along now than there. So you're doing fantastic. And so this is a program that you could tell that most people can actually do. And if you are concerned about your friend or whatever, or yourself, you know, make sure that you check with your doctor if you're concerned about doing this program. But it is a very gentle program. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, and everyone, have fun. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.